welcome back to my channel. My name is Martha. Today, as you can tell from the title of this video, we are doing a kitchen haul. So if you want to see what I picked up for the kitchen, then keep on watching this video. Okay guys, so totally random. Why am I doing a kitchen haul? We have been remodeling our kitchen and it is coming together quite nice, if I do say so myself. So my contribution to this remodel was to purchase some, decorations, some accent pieces, if you will, some things that we just needed to update in the kitchen too. So that's what this video is. I bought 99.9% of this off of Amazon. I will be including my Amazon storefront link down below if you guys are curious or want to purchase these items for yourself too. I'm gonna be opening these up. Some of these items I have not seen yet. Some of them I put together for the sake of this video. So let's jump right in with the first. Oh my god, I'm so scared. With this piece right here. This is a knife set from Chicago Cutlery. I, did my due diligence looking at tons of reviews, videos, all of that on what the good knife sets are, that are also affordable. I'm not trying to spend $300, $400 on a knife set either. Like, hello. So I found this one. This is a black block, which I thought was nice, a little different. And then the knives are stainless steel. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like, wow. It is nice. Don't know what the performance is yet, but I'll keep you guys uploaded. I'll keep you guys updated on what I think of these knives. But yeah, can we get this out of the way? I feel like so threatened. It's very dangerous. Okay, moving on to a little sabor. We have this salt and pepper grinder set, and it has two. I wanted to have two pairs, a big and a little one. Hay que abrir esta vaina. Here's a big one. Oh, yeah, con la tapita. Ooh, fancy. She's fancy. Oh my gosh. And then, I'm not just throwing trash over there, you guys. I have a trash can, although, is it getting in there? I don't know. This is the small. Ooh, a little bit thick, wider, and a little murky still, but my ears, sorry, they match, but they're also like different, I like that. Should I do a quick little showy just so you guys can see the little sets, but that's what it looks like. We have this. Here it is. It's a set of 4 like oil bottles. It comes with a whatever that is called. I really wanted these in particular because the spout has this little thing that covers it, so your oil, your vinegar doesn't, get nasty. It stays fresher in the bottle. So that was cool, and then you just drizzle. And this was a set of 4, and it was a really good deal. And the spout I love, and that is why I purchased it, and the little pink thing is a little added bonus, I guess, too. Next we have this kitchen mat. It's gray. It's supposed to be like super comfortable, like one that you would have at a restaurant or something, and it's supposed to be 2. I'm scared to open this. It's supposed to come with a really long one and then one short one. Ooh, this does feel nice. Yes, so okay, it comes with a long one and a short one. Ow! I don't know if these are going to be super comfy, but we'll see. Again, this was also another great find because one of these at the store costs like 30 bucks. And so for this set to have two was a really great deal for like 30 bucks too. Okay, let me put that there. It smells a little funky. Moving right along, I have this other box here. This is, can you guess what this is before I open it? Try to guess. This is, where are my tijeritas? Okay. Oh, this is so cute. This was a pretty penny, not gonna lie. This was a splurge because it's a sugar bowl, but I just really wanted a cute, super cute sugar bowl. So adorable. Why is it this? Get out of here. Okay. Ah! Is this not the cutest little sugar bowl you've ever seen? Like, can you stop? Oh my gosh. Like, would you like some sugar with your tea? Yes. Okay. Isn't this cute? So yeah, this was, like I said, I spent a little bit more on this little sugar bowl because of the decor aspect of it. I could have just gotten something super simple, and honestly we didn't really need a sugar bowl, but I wanted a cute sugar bowl and I got it. So we're gonna put that right here for right now. Okay, next we have this little thing. This is boring. This is a whatever piece. This is a sink caddy. You put your soap, you put your sponge, you put your, this thingy majiggy here. Self-explanatory. This one was cool. I looked at like Target and Walmart and all of that stuff, but they were like very simple, not really that effective, and like kind of pricey. And this one was like big and spacious and lots of, you know, features. And then you have this little thing where you can empty it out, you know. So I like this. It's a little big. It's a lot big. Yeah, it is a lot big. But it's fine, you know, we've got a lot of things to keep. Okay, next we have some other smaller things. So we have this silicone pot holder from Love This Kitchen, imported from China. And it's just pot holders. They're silicone pot holders that are black. One second. Yeah, and these also serve to like put your pans on too, so it's like double multi, what's that word I'm looking for? Multi-use. There we go. So yeah, and they're just black and sleek, and you can put them away, and they're not hideous and ugly like most, you know, pot holders are. So then the other thing I got is these tea towels or kitchen rags, whatever you want to call them. These are from Cuisinart. They are rayon from bamboo 2-pack kitchen towels, and they're just kitchen towels. They're black. Surprisingly, black, plain black kitchen towels are hard to find, so you're welcome. Next we have this. This is just a pot lid holder. Oh my gosh, is it always an issue when we're looking for pots and pans and pot lids. So hopefully this is gonna keep us a little bit more organized. They sell a million of these. This costs like $9, can't really remember. But I felt like this one would fit in our cabinet and would do the job for us. Another thing we got were these. I just purchased these the other day at a Bell's Home Centric store. I don't know what it is. But surprisingly, it was so hard to find a bowl on Amazon. I'll show you the one I picked up, but they're just so hard, you know, to shop for. And I found this one at Bell's for $4.99, and I felt like this is good to, you know, keep your little fruta or decor. And then this napkin thing too was its partner, and it was $3.99. I don't think we needed this, but I was like, we gotta keep it together, you know? And I'm sure we will use it for sure. And then another bowl, the one I got from Amazon, is este. This one is really cute, but this is like more high class, you know, de la high. It's so pretty. I feel like this is so nice. And like originally I wanted to put fruit in it, but I was like, this is just too nice for fruit. Like, you know, unless it's like really luxurious fruit, but like I'm just gonna put kiwis in here. So yeah, I like this, and it was very affordable. It's from Tower, and it's a fruit bowl. Okay, the other thing I got is this Lazy Susan. I've always wanted a Lazy Susan, but I didn't want an ugly one. And this one is stainless steel. It matches our kitchen. I'm sorry if I didn't mention it before, but our new aesthetic is like black and stainless steel. And there is some white. Our cabinets are white still. So I thought this was cute. I feel like it'll go well, and we're gonna put like this here, you know, maybe a little like salt, you know, and then the little sugar. Like, isn't that just cute? I'm gonna drop this. This is why I'm not a server. But yeah, that's what this is for. Okay, and last but not least are these amazing sleek jars over here. They're like storage jars. I really like them. This was a set of 4. Comes like this, a large one, medium one, a little smaller than large but not medium, and then a small one. These are cute. They worried me when they came in the mail because it was like turquoise, but then you just take that off very satisfyingly. Sorry, it was cut off. It's just such a cute little jar. These are all really great. They're usually very bulky and like not so cute, but these are very aesthetically pleasing. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this kitchen haul. I know it's not like my regular content, but I've never really uploaded or done anything regarding my house or kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again with an all new video. Bye guys! That we needed to complete the kitchen. Purchasing items. I'm not gonna break this glass.